There's silver and gold and precious moments, and all of us know that we're soon getting older and they won't ever come again. There's squares and there's triangles, they can hurt you. There's edges and star-spangled propaganda twisting everything round the bend. Another page is turned white and black. When it's been read, there's no turning back, and all we think we've ever learned is all be written in zero. Intelligent people always talking such beautiful words, but so unrewarding that we don't even know this is. Put all of the value on education, fill them up with the same information, but let me do it how I do it. Another page is turned white and black. When it's been read, there's no turning back, and all we think we've ever learned is all be written in zero. Another page is turned white and black. When it's been read, there's no turning back, and all we think we've ever learned is all be written in zero. Broke. Everything we built seems to be broken. Feels like somebody has just cut me open. Can't find a place to run or hide. Time. We both know that we need more time. You know the rest just doesn't matter. I can promise you we'll be fine. Is it so difficult to change your mind when everything seems to go wrong? What would happen if I stayed behind? Would you hold on? Seems lost to me. Try. Will you still give it a try? We know that we have to win this together. I can promise you we'll be fine. Why it's so difficult to change my mind? For how long should I bite my tongue? What would happen if you stay behind? Will I hold on? I hear your voice, but you're too far away to reach me. I hear the words, although the meaning seems lost to me.